Good afternoon. Welcome to the corner table. My name is Ben, and I'll be your server today. How are you doing?
Hi, Ben. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. Would you like to start off with something to drink?
Yes, please. May I have a glass of iced tea with lemon?
Absolutely, sweetened or unsweetened.
Sweetened, please.
You got it. I'll be right back with that. Feel free to look over the menu and let me know if you have any questions. Here you go, sweet iced tea with lemon. Is this your first time dining with us?
Yes, it is. A friend recommended this place, so I thought I'd give it a try.
Well, I'm glad you're here. If you're in the mood for something classic, our grilled salmon is a house favorite. It comes with roasted vegetables and mashed potatoes.
That sounds nice. But I was actually wondering, is the chicken Alfredo made with heavy cream? I'm trying to avoid dairy today.
That's a good question. Yes, the Alfredo sauce is made with heavy cream and Parmesan cheese. But if you'd like, we can make a special version with olive oil, garlic, and grilled chicken instead. It's still delicious and dairy-free.
Oh, that would be perfect. Could I have that with a side of steamed broccoli?
Of course, one grilled chicken pasta with olive oil and garlic, and steamed broccoli on the side. Would you like any bread with that?
No, thank you. I'm trying to keep it light.
Totally understandable. Your order should be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes. Let me know if you need anything else while you wait.
Thanks, Ben. I appreciate it.
Alright, here we are, your custom chicken pasta with garlic and olive oil, and a side of broccoli. Let me know what you think.
Wow, this looks amazing. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Can I get you anything else? Maybe more iced tea?
Yes. Actually, could I have a refill, please?
Absolutely. I'll be right back with that. Here you go, fresh iced tea with lemon. How's the food so far?
It's really good. I'm glad I asked about the sauce. The garlic and olive oil taste so fresh.
I'm happy to hear that. We always try to accommodate dietary needs, so don't hesitate to ask.
I appreciate that. Do you happen to have any dairy-free dessert options?
Yes, we do. We have a flourless chocolate cake that's dairy-free, and a fruit sorbet, mango, raspberry, or lemon.
I'll take the mango sorbet, please. That sounds refreshing.
Excellent choice. I'll bring that out for you in just a moment. Here you go, one mango sorbet. Let me know what you think.
Oh, it's so good. Light and fruity. Just what I wanted.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Would you like anything else? Maybe a coffee or some water?
No, thank you. I'm all set. You've been really great, Ben.
Thank you. I'm glad I could help. Take your time, and whenever you're ready, I can bring the bill.
Sounds good. Thanks again.